Lottie's pizza.
So it's like
Is this your first pizza
Tastes alright.
you made
I
on
think
your
it's more
own?
like a calzone.
Yeah, that's what I was going for.
And when you're ready, just cut it, slice it.
Mad, thank you. Good stuff.
Well,
I'm gonna beat you now.
It's pizza.
Wow.
Well, Ivy's gonna win.
Oh, what a shape, eh? Maybe a